Afternoon. Here's an insight just before the beginning of the week. So I came across this video on Instagram, I think by Zano Eben. And in the video, he is talking about pivoting. Pivoting is a change in direction. Pivoting is a shift, So, but he uses these words. He says, sometimes grace gets lifted off of our comfort zone, and these words stuck with me, and I was reflecting on what he was saying, and it was I felt it's true. I've never thought about, we all like saying, sure, grace has located this person. When somebody's doing well, when somebody has had a breakthrough, when somebody is successful, and we would say, hey, grace has located this person. Some would even pray and say, I just pray for grace to locate me. And I believe, after listening to that video, grace locates us. Grace locates each and every person. But what I liked with what he was saying, grace will not locate you in the wrong location, in the incorrect location, in an outdated location. Grace will not locate you where you are not meant and supposed to be at that particular time. And once you will locate grace, and you will, for the purpose and the duration and the time that you are meant to be at a particular level, at a particular environment, at a particular place, at a particular space. But the moment and the minute you are meant to elevate or to ascend, to move, grace will be lifted off. Because now sometimes sihlala, because of ease, because of comfort, because of convenience and many other things, and we were so comfortable because of familiarity as well. I'm so used to operating this way. I'm so used to being here. I'm so used to being with this person. I'm so used to being with these people. I'm so used to my life being the way that it is. I'm so used to this work environment. I'm so used to. So, kuba comfort, kuba ease, kuba familiarity. And kuba nesikhathi where the assignment for, or the period, or the chapter has to end. Ngoba we are people, we are journeying, and we are growing. Therefore, you have to level up. You have to move. Mara, if you don't have the courage, or you cannot discern, because sometimes it's a matter of, do I recognize that I'm not stuck? It's not stagnation. It's not bad luck. It's not lack of opportunities. It's not lack of this and that. It's not, but it is that grace has been lifted off because it is time for me to move. It is time for me to level up. It is time for me to ascend. And if I cannot recognize that, I cannot recognize the hand of God or the hand of the universe, and I will think or assign blame and think things are going this way because of some type of wrongdoing on my part, or abanye abantu, or what, or the environment or places, even for that matter. I felt this is very powerful. And in a way, it's just saying, recognize when certain chapters in your life have been written and closed, and they are done, and you have to move. Because grace can come, it comes in many faces or in many types or kinds. You will not be protected. That's grace. Protection is grace. Provision is grace. And many other graces. You will not be protected where you are. You will not be provided for where you are not meant to be anymore. You will not make success of anything. You will not progress. You will not develop, grow where you are not supposed to be at anymore. If finally stage 5 and now you are so comfortable with level 2 or 3, make showcase lapho you will not be able to enjoy grace. So in order for you to, there's a part where he says grace is there on the other side, and so I'm saying you will not be able to unlock and access the graces that await you on the other side if you are stuck and you do not find the courage to move when you are expected and are meant to move and elevate and ascend.